5 divided by 2, divide by 5, divide by 2. So 5 divided by 2, this is give us 2.5, divide by 5 divided by 2, this will give us 2.5. 2.5 divided by 2.5, this is going to give us 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of BODMAS, according to the order of operation, which is BODMAS, we have to solve from left to right. B stands for bracket, O stands for or for exponent, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So we are just following the rules from left to right. So let's divide from left to right and see the correct answer. So we will divide from left to right. 5 divided by 2, we can rewrite it as 5 over 2 divide by what? 5 divide by 2. Now, we are going to apply the KCF rule here, which is KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. So, if we apply that here, here will be 5 over 2. Change this to multiplication, then change this to 1 over 5. Alright? Divide by 2. Now 5 divides 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is give you 10. Divide by 2. Now we are still going to apply the KCF rule here, which is equals to 5 over 10 times 1 over 2. 5 times 1 is equals to what? 5. 10 times 2 will give us 20. 5 here what? 1. 5 here is 4. So our answer is 1 over 4. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.